Hello everyone, this is Tongrun nano-technology. Today I would like to introduce 3D printing metal powder. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing. It is a method of manufacturing parts and products layer by layer. 3D printed metal powder is the main base material for printing metal parts. The powder must be stored in a dry environment at room temperature to avoid moisture and high temperature. The characteristics of the metal powder and the type of 3D printing determine the final characteristics of the product. The characterization of 3D printed metal powder depends on its production mode. This may result in different particle morphology and purity. The choice of 3D printed metal powder particle size is based on different energy sources of metal printers. The 3D printer powered by lasers because of its fine focal point, easy to melt fine powder. Therefore, it's suitable to use 15 to 53 ohm powder as consumption material. 3D printing machines powered by electron beams. The slightly concentrated concentration is more suitable for melting coarse powder and therefore suitable for the use of 53 to 105 ohm coarse powder. Thanks for your watching and leave a comment if you have any questions. Click the website below for more details. See you next time.